Alright, here we got TW200 Yamaha put on this DG pipe. I noticed some backfiring and less than stellar performance, so I went ahead and ordered a Sigma 6 jet kit stage 2. Look at Jay over here is helping me get the tank off. You know how to take the back seat off, the two screws that screw up into it. When you're taking the tank off, don't forget to pull out the fairings. I'll give you a better look at that later. But this is how you do it. You're gonna get two 10mm open ends right here, and you're gonna loosen these two accelerator throttle adjusters, and then we're gonna get the carb off, and I'll show you that. When you loosen this screw that came out of here, it won't really do anything really, but it'll give you more wiggle room to get the cable out. And then you're gonna get this cable out now. That's gonna probably be the most pain in the butt part about this job. Okay, now on the rear part of the carburetor, the front band can stay, but the rear band, you kind of want to remove it because we're gonna have to take the carburetor off and put it on again. If you want to leave it on, it's up to you, my brothers, but I'm just telling you that it might be a little bit easier to take them off. See, once you get down here, it's all you gotta worry about. Everything is gonna be down here, bro. Take out your 4 screws. If mine looks a little different, it's because I put Allens on there instead of the regular. But I had a surprise. I had a missing soldier. I don't know where he went. I don't know. Maybe I'll put some Loctite on there. Okay, this is your stock main jet. It's located right here. Here's the carburetor. So you take them out. You don't have to take this out if you don't want to. You can just unscrew this. Just showing you. Then your pilot jet is inside here. You can swap that out. Get a small screwdriver, get that guy out. Put in this. What is this right here? They're saying that this is a 38. I don't know what is that plastic for. I think that's a spacer for the needle. But we're not going to change that. We're just going to, don't worry about the plastic. Just worry about the metal part. I don't know if you can see that, guys. But the stock one is a 31. And we're going to replace them with this 38 right now. So when you get ready to lock these guys down, you want to do a test. You want to go forward and reverse on your throttle. And look at your cables. Make sure you don't have a whole lot of slack on your forward, on your acceleration. See how there's no slack? Deceleration, 0 slack. That's what you want to see. Okay, once you get the carburetor in, got the boots on, go ahead and tighten up these bands. You'll see why you want to take this band off once you try to reinstall that carburetor. Trust me, you'll see why. Put the carburetor in the regular way, then put your cables on. Make sure your cables are within adjustment and you don't have a whole lot of slack there. That looks good right there. Put everything back on and then we'll see you around.